friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one speed typing test project in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like an Jagmal previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So from that, it will be also help for you. It will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things, more new project and more new clones which I will be uploading in future, and the previous one also which I have just already uploaded on my channel. So you can also check that projects and clones which I will be uploading. So it will be just help for you. So now we will be starting with our speed typing test project. So for building a speed typing test project, first of all you have to just go to your Python projects folder, means your PyCharm folder which you have just created. So here first of all I'll be telling you how to run your command, means in your terminal how to run your app which you have just made. Just you have to press this run button. From here you can also run, or you can just go to run, then press this run button, or from that by running app you can also run. So here there are many ways to just run your app here, but here we will be just using like this one here, so we will be just using that. But first of all you have to do one thing. Here you have to go to your Python projects folder which you are just creating. So here I will be pressing right click, because we have to just make a Python file. So I'll be going to new, and then I'll be pressing a Python file option. Now when you just press that, you have to just come and write your Python file name which you have to just give. So you can write any of the random name of your Python file, like I will be writing here changing that to speed.py you can write, but here it will be already changed into Python file, so I don't have to write .py. I have to press just enter by writing my file name. You can see that now it is automatically created in your like speed.py, means your Python file has been created here. So now you can see when you've done with that things here, now I will be just coming here. First of all you can see we have to just import these things. Some of the things we have to just download in that. So here I will be just going to speed.py here, then I will be going to terminal, and I'll be downloading like pip install time. So here I have to download that by writing this. So here you have to press enter, and you can see now it is not having any of the update version. So I've just already installed and update that also, but it was just having a previous update version which I've just already updated. If you also do that, so you don't have to install it again or update it again. So here it will be installed. If you don't install that or update that, if you just install, so it will be also coming update with that, because you are installing in the latest version of that. So when you've done with that, I'll be going to app.py, and we have to just import the time which we are just creating. So I'll be writing import time, then I'll be pressing enter here, and you can see in the app.py we are just having a string. So in this string you can see we are just having a like Python. If I write Python is my favorite language, okay, so I'll be writing Python is my favorite language, like that I have written that. So here you will be thinking like why I have written this tag. So this is meaning like this will be just we have to write in our speed typing test which will be coming. So when we will be writing like in slow, fast, so you can write in any mode. If you are just is fast, if you are fast in typing, so you can write fast. If you are slow, so you can write in slow, and it will be also giving your average and speed typing per second, and your like you can say accuracy. It will be also giving like what your is, and it will be giving everything related to your like work. So here now we will be defining a word count tag here. Then I will be just coming here in word count, and I'll be writing len. So this len means like it just using like Grammarly, like when we work with any work like that. So I'll be writing split, then you have to write this brackets to just write like that. Now when you've done with that, I'll be going to app.py, and when you've done that, just I'll be writing while str. Now when you've done that, go to app.py here, then I'll be writing like input, then here I'll be creating like enter, and I will be just going here and writing here like enter yes. Okay, so here I'll be writing enter yes to here. If I just go to that, so you can see when you are ready, because here when we are ready, so here I'll be writing yes. So here I'll be writing when you are ready. So when we are ready, you have to write yes, then your speed typing test will be just then it will be just start, and you have to write this word, and it will be also you have to just write in the seconds which it will be just given for you. And now here you have to define this, come here and write here like t0, and I'll be writing equal time.time. You have to just close, means this you have to bracket like close that. Then I will be doing one thing, control Z, you have to press right here input text. So this input text will be you have to write equal to in that, and just write here len again like we have written at the top. Then I'll be writing str, and with the help of this bracket I will be defining like enter the Paris. Then I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, just I will be going one thing like I'll be coming here, writing this two brackets again, writing person, writing as here. Then I will be just doing one thing here, like when you've done with that, so here I'll be going to app.py, and you can see till here when you've done that, so I'll be coming here and I'll be writing as fast as possible. So when you've done that, just I'll be coming here writing plus string. So when you've done with that, come underneath here, go to app.py, and I'll be writing not plus, I'll be writing percent, because here we are using percent tag to just define this thing. So when you've done with that, I'll be coming underneath here also, then going to app.py. So till t1 now I'll be writing like equal time dot time, and here I'll be just writing that. So when you've done with that, I will be coming underneath, go to app.py, and it is good. So I'll be writing acc text. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, just go to app.py, and you can check one thing like we are just working with this. So here I'll be writing len set. So here I will be coming and creating len equal set. Then here I will be just coming and writing this brackets in that and creating input text split. So here I'll be writing input, and I'll be writing dot split. You have to just close this also. Then I will be coming forward, going to app.py, and here you have to just write here like and I will be coming forward here also, and when you've done that, just I'll be writing string dot split, and you have to close that. So you can see we have done these things. I will be coming here, creating acc tag again, then I'll be coming forward here, and if I just go here, you can see here you have to define acc/word count, and it is done. So come underneath here, then you have to just come here and define time taken. So here you have to define time taken tag, which will be like t0 minus t1. So when you've done with that, come underneath here also. Then if I just go here, then you can see what pm means, what per minute. Then here I will be coming here, then I'll be just writing like word underscore count slash, then here we have to just write time taken, how much time taken the user is to write this word, and like what the per minute accuracy and speed is of this user, which is just writing this letter which we have just suggested to write. Python is my favorite language. If I come here and write here print, and I will be just writing here this sign, and here when you've done with that, so I'll be writing what pm means, what per minute, like I'm telling you. Come here, write dot acc time taken tag again. So we have to define this time taken tag again because here it is really useful tag to just define that. We have previously also defined this tag, so because of that we have to define that. So when you've done with that, just I will be coming forward, going here, and you can see we have to just now print that. So here we have just already print here, so I'll be just simply closing that, go to app.py, and it is good. So when you've done with that all things, you have to do just nothing. You have to press save button here by pressing save all, and download some of the like things which we have to just work with. So here I will be coming now, and I will be writing another thing which will be just like pip install. So here I'll be writing a pip install, which will be like time, or you can write time taken. I'll be first of all writing. Now you can see it is just updating that because I have just already installed that. I have to just use that for building this project which I am just working with. So because of that I am just installing that, and it will be take some time because it is just heavy of the like heavy package here you can just work with. So you can see there is also like correction like that. So you can see it is coming a correction error, so you don't care about that. It will be just white when you will be done that. So when you've done with that thing, you have to do one thing like here you can see this is now successfully installed here. So when you've done with that, just you have to come in that and create pip install. Then I'll be writing word, press enter, and you can see there is not any of the latest version or update version for that. I've already installed, so because of that there is coming requirement already satisfied, means version that satisfies the requirement word. So when you've done that, I'll be going here installing pip install acc, press enter. You can see it is installing acc here, means updating that, so it has been updated. So I'll be writing pip install again and creating time taken here, press enter. Now you can see that it is not having any of that update version I have already installed, so because of that there is coming like error like that. Now if I write pip install string, so I think it should be just having a newest version, if my opinion is that. So press enter. Okay, so it is also not having any of the latest version of that. So if I write pip install import, you can download for importing anything. So now you have to just not install that. If you have delete, it will be just automatically download when you just install PyCharm. You don't have to just install again and again. But if you are just working with that and it is not working, so you can just install that here. Means if you have just delete this import package, because by mistake we delete import package or any other library, we thinks like it is not any of the work which we have to just do with that, so we have to delete that because our disk and everything is just heavy. So because of that, you can install it again by writing this pip install import. So I'll be now minimizing that, save here, and when you will be running that, then it will be just asking like press yes to just ready. When you are ready, press yes. Then here it will be asking you to just write this string. When you will be writing this string, this tag, then it will be showing you all the speed, accuracy and everything which will be just related to your like speed typing when the user write. So like that you can just build. So I hope you understand like how to build one speed typing test in Python, and I hope you also enjoyed this project like an example previous project of Python. So just practice resolve project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of Python like you are of previous Python, JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So it's practice. By practice, these should be things very really easy for you to just do, and it will be also really helpful for you in future when you will be just going and applying for a job. You can just show the degree and certificate to them, then it will be just you can take it to job. So this is really just an easy thing. Just you have to practice day by day to just work and increase your skills, and you can also decrease your skill if you don't work well, but we have to just increase our skill day by day. So you have to work day by day with this, and you have to practice. Just practice the main thing to just work with these things. Now I will be just meet you in next project.